Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you how to make a cool rain cloud craft with our names on it. So what you're going to need for this craft is some white paper, some blue construction paper, and I have some black paper that I'm going to put it on, but you could use any color for the background. I'm going to use black. You're also going to need some string or some ribbon if you have some, and I have a black marker, but any kind of marker you want. And I have some tape and some glue. So the first thing we're going to do is take our white paper, and I'm going to make my white paper into a cloud. So I'm actually going to draw the cloud shape that I want, and then I'm going to cut it out. Okay. So here's my cloud. Now I'm just gonna cut it out. My paper. This can be tricky when you're going in the little pieces. And clouds look like all sorts of things, so yours can be really however you want it to look. Just follow along the lines. Here's my cloud, and I'm going to set that aside for now. We're actually going to write our names in our cloud, and then we're going to use our blue paper to cut out raindrops, and we're going to use the amount of raindrops as the same amount of letters in our name. So my name is Miss Allie. So I'm going to write that on my rain cloud. So here's my rain cloud with my name. And then I'm going to create the amount, count how many letters I have. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters in my name. So you're going to count how many are in your name, and you will draw little raindrops that amount. So I'm going to draw 5 raindrops for myself. So, the raindrops are kind of like little ovals, right? They're like an oval shape. So I'm going to draw 5 ovals, and they could be different sizes. So here are my 5 raindrops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to cut them out now. And it's sometimes easier to cut it in half and cut them apart before you start cutting them. So I like to cut them out. Here's my first. right, now that all my raindrops are cut out, I am going to write my name again inside of my raindrops. I'm going to write each letter of my name. So first, I'll write M. Then an S for Miss. Next, I have an A. Then I have my L. And last but not least, I dropped my raindrop. My I. All right, so now I have my raindrops and my rain cloud. And I need to attach my rain cloud to my raindrops. So that's what I'm going to be using my string for. So I'm going to cut a piece of my string, and I'm going to attach each of my raindrops to a piece of string, and then attach my string to my rain cloud. And you can use glue or tape, or if you have a hole punch and you wanted to cut little holes in these and string it through, you could do that too. I'm going to be using tape today because I have tape. You don't need too long of a piece. Just a piece just like that is good. So here is my first letter hanging from my rain cloud, okay? And so I have it attached at the back with tape on both pieces. You could use glue too, but you would have to wait and let it dry in between. So I'm going to attach the rest of them, and then we will glue it to our paper. So I have all my little pieces that I'm going to use. And see, I can make them different levels too. All right, now my rain cloud is complete. And now I'm just going to attach my rain cloud to my black piece of paper. And you could keep it by itself if you wanted to. I just want to have mine on a background, so I'm going to glue it. So I'm going to put glue on the back of my white paper. And I'm going to place it on and then it shakes around. Very cool. Now, if you try this craft, I would love to see some pictures of them. All right, bye friends.